We're the welcoming committee.
Oh, thank you.
Golden age.
We've got to go under. We're going under.
Hello, we are Filkin's Drift, a folk duo from Cardiff and Gloucestershire, and we've decided to make our next tour more sustainable, so we're walking all 870 miles of the Wales coast path.
We're playing over 45 concerts and we'll be meeting some inspiring artists and community leaders along the way. And this week we've walked 61 miles from Barry to Chepstow. This is what people don't see on the videos. They don't know about the bed sharing rota.
No, sometimes there's fewer beds than people, so we have no choice.
We've never had to go 3 in a bed though.
No.
So we've done well there.
Yeah.
I feel like maybe we should do one day.
I mean, there are no more days.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward
I
to
don't
it.
think it's really hit me that it's over either. I don't wonder if and when that will happen. Might be like next week.
It's happening to me now, like literally in this moment. I think I'm going to appreciate like every little, the last time we had breakfast with a new person, the people who were hosting us, the last time we tie up our bootlaces. It's going to be...
I mean, I plan to wear my shoes again.
Mine are going straight in the bin.
15 miles to go. Start of the last day.
Wow. Last. That was a sincere wow.
I've never heard a more sincere wow. So we always got to start off the day with the shop.
The spa.
I don't know, they're all the same, aren't they? Spa, Premier, Tesco's.
No, they're all very
Specifically not the same.
If there's a spa, there's a chance of a hot bacon butt.
Oh yeah.
But there's very little chance of that at Co-op.
Oh.
And if it's a little, you can get a nice pretzel from the bakery, but you're not going to get that from Aldi. It's important details.
But they all have their pros and cons, don't they?
Exactly, they all do have their pros and cons.
But it doesn't really matter until you're there. Here we go. I've learned one thing on this trip. It's how to most directly locate the meal deal aisle.
Christmas spicy chutney.
I suppose it's got to be the classic egg and cress. So bored of it now.
So close to the bridge now.
Yeah, I know.
I think you literally walk under it.
Really?
Yeah. whenever I was like driving back from Birmingham to Cardiff, I'd glimpse like the little tiny Wales coast path sign just under the bridge and go, I'm gonna walk under there one day.
This is like the third day of this landscape and of this view, pretty much.
Yeah, we've just been trudging along this barricade for 3 days.
Gwent levels or whatever. Like, there's a bit of variety yesterday, a bit of road, a bit of field, a bit of wetlands. But really, since Cardiff, pretty much, it's been this view.
Cardiff feels like a long time ago as well already.
Yeah, Cardiff was a whole different chapter. This feels like we're back in the wild again, to some degree. Cardiff, we had a whole experience.
It was quite it was a culture shock essentially.
It actually was.
Cardiff on a Saturday night, trying to cycle through to get home to my parents' house.
Yeah, we thought it would be just we thought, oh, we could cycle back. Because we love cycling. Haven't been on a bike in ages. And I live in London, so like cycling around on a bike is my way of transport. I was like, oh, you know what? That'd be lovely. Get back on the bike. But it was quite an experience.
It just shows like how out of touch we are with the real world.
I know.
Well, yeah, but is that the real world, or have we been the ones in the real world?
Wow. So we couldn't quite figure out lift logistics. But it doesn't matter when you're in a city. Things are a lot easier.
You get on one of these magnificent.
Look at this fine creation.
However, there's only one.
We've only managed to find one so far, but there's more that way.
I think so. So I'm going to try and hop on the back. I'm quite firm actually, aren't they? Right.
Ready?
I think so.
Oh, jeez.
Hold the camera.
You probably need to hold on to me, don't you? Oh, you're right. There we go. Great.
Where are you lot from? Well, are you Welsh?
He is.
Are you? Where are you from? Speak.
Alright.
Who's got an accent? Where are you from?
Gloucester.
Gloucester. What's that?
No, it's like
What's really
Still I'm reading, like London.
You got accent too.
Wait,
What is that?
Speak, say hello, my name is...
My name's Chris.
Chris, where are you from?
Fairwater.
Seth.
Filkin.
Yeah, by Landa.
Seth?
Oh, we're from London.
Oh,
You hear it?
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can hear it, innit? You got accent.
Where's your place?
You sound like you're from here.
Gloucestershire.
You don't speak
All of
Welsh.
them?
Yeah, a little bit.
Say hi. What's hi?
Shemai.
Shamai. Shamai is hi.
Shamai where?
Shamai is hi. Hi.
Oh, hi Shamai.
No, his name's not Shamai. His name's Chris.
Hi guys, Shamai.
Shamai is hi.
Filkin's drift.
Period. Yeah, I'm a bit drunk. Shamai. No, what's by?
Hoyle.
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 Hoyle. Hoyle. I love that. Yeah,
What's happening? Where's the coast guard? We are far from home.
Okay, we're in. Why don't we do it on selfie mode and you get in it too?
Fine.
We'll be at chapter 2 and 3 probably. Yeah, that's good.
Like we say hello together in the classic.
Yeah, hello.
Like at the beginning of the video, hello.
Hello.
How many miles have we walked?
That's the Shamai, really.
850.
850,
No.
cool.
60.
860.
Yeah.
We'll say Shamai.
Shemai! We have now walked 860 miles and we've got the Severn Bridge in the background there somewhere. Where is it? It's there. And this is our last day. We're on our way to Chepstow right now. So yeah, if you want to see us, this is the last gig and there's still very few tickets left. So go on our website and grab them. And we might see you at the finish point. We'll be there at 2 or 3 to anyone that wants to come and say hi. As we finish our walk! We are walking the West Coast path. We are walking the West Coast path. We are walking the West Coast path.
870, 870. We are walking all the way from Chester to Chepstow. Well, we can't even do a 3-part round without falling apart. So here we are on the last day, and I remember there's a bonus smallest thing in Wales to do because I've been here before. This is the lowest road bridge tunnel thing in the country. It's 5'9" tall. I'm 5'6", but look at it. It's only tiny cars can get through here, just above my head. It's unbelievable under the railway. It's so low. And it's ridiculous. I don't think Chris will actually fit. This isn't the route, but I don't think Chris is going to fit under. I don't think there's not actually, but I don't think the guitar is going to fit. It gets even shorter at the other end because it slopes up. Doomed. Oh, we'll have to go the other way. Luckily, the coast path is the other way. And that is a hilarious bridge, and I forgot how ridiculous it looks.
Even when I'm ducking, it'll still.
Yeah, I have actually driven under it before myself, but there's no chance with the big Alex's van here. There we are, smallest, lowest bridge in Wales. Maybe the country. Maybe the world.
We're about to go under the Severn Bridge. We finally made it. And you can see up there, it used to just be called the second Severn Crossing, which is fine as a name. But then when the company that built it got their profit or whatever from the tolls and stuff, and it got renationalised, it got renamed very controversially the Prince of Wales Bridge, which, for all sorts of historical and modern reasons, is very controversial. But a lot of people have linked the word pont with a Welsh swear word that it rhymes with.
It's so weird. So when we were at uni, whenever you'd leave Cardiff and come back, you'd always post a Snapchat or Instagram story coming over the bridge with the big superstructures. Like, yeah, if you went away and came back, that's what you do. But so now I feel like I should do it from here, but from a totally different perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to be going under it, having gone over it so many times.
Is that Alex and Ben, I think? They don't have it with a party, are they?
No, there's literally nowhere to stop. Oh, maybe it is. There it is.
Morning!
Okay.
Morning.
Whoa, this is so cool to be under here.
Oh, they'll be flying the drone. Oh, it's nice and dry.
Yeah, we've lost the coast path. We're wet. BBC are on the phone.
Flipping
Sold out
BBC.
the gig.
We're the ticketing thing says we're out of tickets. There's only concessions left.
So how many are we up to total?
Hang on. But it's because it breaks it down, doesn't it? Like there's probably 100 normal and 50 concession or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, well let's ring her first. Let's decide a plan to say what we're saying to her.
Just can we put more tickets on sale?
Yeah, like what's the
Yeah.
capacity?
Basically.
Yeah.
What's the capacity?
Yeah, let's find out the capacity and then I'll edit the event after.
We're planning to remove this payphone. Unfortunately, it just isn't used enough, it says.
Oh.
You might save it.
Well.
Give her a call on the landline.
Yeah.
Yeah, use the phone. That's what I thought you meant. That's not what a phone box means. You don't have to get it and use your phone.
But it's dry. I'm quite envious of your
Close the door on him.
spot.
Close the door on him for privacy.
What we also wondered, because so basically we had this this feature on BBC Wales this morning, which I think is, yeah, that's what's massively upped the tickets. So we were even wondering, like, if we could do some cheap on the door, like standing tickets, if there's space for a standing room at the back, or.
I'll ask.
Cool.
I don't know what the situation is, health and safety wise. So
Yeah, that's it. Because obviously fire eggs and.
I'll text you back.
Ah, perfect. Thank you.
No worries at all. Take care.
Lovely.
See you. It's about the sign.
Yes. Yeah. Ah, we'll see you later.
Just going to take a look at the text. Right?
Grand, will do. Lovely. See you in a bit. You too. Thank you. Cheers, bye. Cool. She's going to check about standing room. And text us back.
For now, I'm going to remove concession.
Yeah. And just have a few more standard price ones. We just had a call from Radio 4. We want to have a chat on front row this afternoon when we get to the end.
So I'm trying to email the producer, but it's quite wet.
It was such a surreal. We're just standing in this thorn bush, which isn't really offering us very much shelter
It
at all.
feels like it is though. I don't think it's any drier down here than it is up there.
I can't type.
And it's got no sign of letting up the rain.
God, imagine if I had lost my fiddle in Barry. What would we be doing at this point?
You would have had a source of fiddle from somewhere.
Borrowing one, yeah.
Borrow one, yeah. You must know fiddle players.
I do, but I don't think I know any fiddle players in Barry.
No. Or fiddle players who would be able to get you one and wouldn't need it for like a couple of weeks.
And wouldn't mind me carrying it around in the rain. Oh. Yeah, what was such a lovely night that evening. Wholesome time. Good company. Nice beer. Just in the space of 5 minutes turned into a utter panic after I left my fiddle in the pub. Ran back down.
In the early hours.
Yeah. Bless the pub owner though, he was great. Like, it was just he didn't mind us hanging out till the small hours. we even went to get some. He popped out to get food and just left us minding the bar. Yeah. But yeah, left the bar about 1:30, and then ran back. It was locked up, lights closed, nobody in, fiddle gone. So I shone my torch through the window, and all I could see was a corner of a plastic bag, which was an inkling there might be some stuff there. I couldn't really see. Yeah, that was a stressful sleep. Going to bed, I think the only time I've ever gone to bed not knowing where my fiddle is. And I hope it's the last time.
Yeah. Should be. Sorry, on this tour at least.
You found it. Oh, what a miracle. I went down at 8 o'clock this morning thinking, you know, I'll just see if I can see it through the window. And at least I'd know if it was in the bar. Like whether I had to give up hope or not. I went down, peering in, and then a lady came up behind me and was like, "What are you doing?"
What are you doing peering through this closed bar
Stop
window?
peering through my window. And yeah, she'd just gone in there to like clean or something. At the exact moment, she happened to be unlocking the door behind me, just when I was reunited.
Got it.
With my baby, and the mic was there as well.
Nice, the blooming mic.
Yeah.
But it's all good, we've got it all back.
Oh,
Cardiff gig is saved.
tell you what,
Their sanity is saved.
going to sleep yesterday knowing I didn't have my fiddle.
Friday night in Barry's probably claimed many a victim in history. Nearly claimed another one.
But
We're
no!
we're all good.
Hey! I love how quickly these go green after the train has passed.
Yeah, much quicker than car, like road traffic light.
Oh. Well, we've certainly
had every weather today, is what I think.
Oh my god! We can read each other's minds now.
But today, yeah, it's like the Wales Coast Path, or Wales as a whole, has thought, these clowns have got one day left. We're going to throw all the weather. We've heard them say, oh, we've been very lucky with the weather actually. That's that 1,000 times a day to everyone who asks. And now they're like, well, take this. Take all the weather, all in one day. It's been sunny and rainy and very rainy.
To anyone that may be wondering, in any time they future watch these videos, the number one question we get asked the most is, oh, hasn't it been rainy? Well, the answer is generally, we've actually been quite lucky with the weather. Except this last day.
Except today, yeah.
It's been quite a funny walk today as well, because we've had so many guests over the last few days joining us for little bits. As we've got, like, you know, this stretch is so much more populated and we know people better here. It's kind of been quite fun just to have a day, just the three of us as well.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
A classic old-fashioned tour day.
Yeah, we've got to start how we, you know, we've done it all. We've got to finish with the core team.
Core team, average 15 miles,
Yeah.
a night in a vicarage.
And buying some ingredients to put inside bread for lunch. That's what I did.
Yeah, our friend Ashley asked us what was the 3 things that we've learnt the most this trip. I can't remember what they were now.
I think Freddie's was, if you find a good stick, don't let it go.
Oh,
Yeah.
Freddie, I mean, let your stick go.
Yeah, but it wasn't a good stick. It was a fine stick.
And I said, no matter what happens, we always make it. Which I hope comes true today.
Yeah, we should do. We haven't got long. We're nearly there.
And I said, it's cold when you stop.
Short and sweet from Roberts there.
Yeah, I can't remember if we said this on a video before, but the amount of generosity and kind people there are out there has restored my faith in humanity. It's been unbelievable. So thank you to everybody that has been involved with this journey in some way, be that big or small, and played a part. Because we couldn't have, I mean, literally hundreds of people that we couldn't have done this without. And I would name names, but we'd be here for probably a couple of hours. But you know who you are, and we appreciate it so much. It's been phenomenal.
My mate has just sent me this screenshot.
Yeah.
So obviously we've had the BBC News article up today, but he's just sent me this screenshot. It's the 7th most read article on the site.
What?
Among like all of these like major world events happening. And
on
the whole BBC website is number 7.
We're number 7.
Go on, who's number 8?
Number 8 is
Who have we beat?
former Prime Minister stuff.
Wait, was in
Saudi Arabia to host 2034 Men's World Cup.
We beat the Filkins. I mean, we beat the World Cup. What?
Halloween peppermints.
Who's ahead of us?
Not very fun stuff, to be honest, but we're number 7. You're number 7 among like big world events.
Whoa!
Number 7.
Wales is on the map.
Yes.
We're number 7 on the BBC homepage.
And all we had to do was just wander about for 2 months.
Yeah, all we had to do.
Play a few folk tunes.
Right, what are we doing for the next 2 months? For video context, we're walking very quickly, in case you couldn't tell, because we've got 1 mile to go. But it's all got a bit stressful.
Because the world's press is...
Because the phone's been ringing quite a lot. We've got to make it in time for an interview with the Times. And then Radio 4, and then maybe World Service. But we've got to try and squeeze in before
And another newspaper.
dinner and doing a gig.
Easy. Just another day in the life of Filkin's Drift.
I never thought this would be how we ended the walk.
Look, there's some information about Chepstow.
No time!
It's got the Wales Coast Path on it.
Hardwick Garden City. During the First World War, something happened. Go, go, go.
Ah, Chepstow, interesting fact. Cool.
This is officially this is the Wales Coast Path. You have to go round this little block. Yeah.
I linger in the shade, either every time I leave. What else could a poor boy do? What else could a poor boy do? red rocking chair. Ain't got no sugar baby now. Got no sugar honey baby now.
I'm back. I'm back in Cornwall. Here is my little hobbit house that I live in. Reminds me a bit of the little cabin we stayed in at Hemban Permaculture Farm, actually, which is a real highlight of the trip. But yeah, it's weird. It's weird to be home. You know, home is the natural place to be, but you've been away and outside and doing something crazy for so long. It's weird to be home. I'm not sure how easy it is really to summarise how I feel about the trip, but it was just, I'll use the phrase I've been saying to everyone, which is just, it was a true epic adventure. I'm just amazingly grateful to have had the opportunity from Chris and Seth to join them on their Filkin Drift tour. And it was just epic, and I probably haven't really processed it yet, but here we are. And there we are. But yeah, what I really need to do now is open the stack of mail and have a beer and have a sleep and have a haircut and a beard trim tomorrow, because that is #1 job. So thank you for everyone who followed along and helped us and supported us. It's been great.
So this is, I'm not feeling sick.
The Great Shave.
This is the Great Shave post Cerdded, post 870 miles.
Cerdd/Ed.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And Ashley's going to cut off all my facial hair while we reflect on the last 2 months. Should I take my glasses off? Oh no, that doesn't get in the way, does it? Okay, let's go. Let's make a start.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Probably right here.
But also, what I've really enjoyed is like the ability of this walk to like piece together the coastline of Wales. And so I'm back home in Birmingham now.
Oh, sorry.
And I've got some nice walks planned that are gonna sort of go around the whole perimeter of the city and like piece together all these different bits of the city that I know, but don't really have a sense of how they all join up. Do you reckon it's at shaving level? Or I reckon that's a bit long.
Where? Here? Okay. Oh, there's like pieces coming out. There's like little bits.
Oh no. Bits?
Yeah.
What do you mean bits?
I don't know, like probably old food or whatever.
Can you see any of them? Where?
Well, I mean, they're so small, but they're like, ugh! It's definitely why it smells.
Oh dear.
Sorry.
You can cut that bit out.
That was the best bit. Alex, I really hope you watch all of this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. My face looks really. Is my face actually that size? Oh, this is so strange. Oh gosh, my head looks really round. Are you sure there's nothing weird going on in this? Oh, oh my word. Oh goodness me. Oh wow. Oh no. What have I done?
It's fine. I think you can put it back.
You didn't do anything, I did it.
Get some glue and put it back.
Anyway, this is my face. Alex, you can do some sort of before and after thing at this point. Thank you. It's been wild. Goodbye.
And I've made it back to London. Finally. I forgot how long it takes to get places and traffic jams and going in cars. But I'm back on the water aboard lovely, lovely Phoenix. So I've just got to do some cleaning up. She's got quite covered in leaves and such like. Got the fire going and it's lovely. Time to sort of sit down. No walking boots, bloody great. I've been settled back at home for a couple of days now, back on the waterways of London. And yeah, to think back on the last 2 months now feels like a bit of a dream, to be honest. Like there's so much that's still going around my head and processing, and the wonderful, wonderful people that we've met. It's quite a strange adjustment to normal life. Like even this morning I went to Asda, thrilling, to do a big shop. And it was like the biggest supermarket that I've been in so long. It's really weird. So yeah, I'm kind of missing it, to be honest. It's like the simplicity of just waking up and walking every day and doing the gigs. It was just such a lovely way to lead a life. And yeah, I'm sure we'll be doing something like this again. But for now, enjoying being back on the boat, looking forward to getting stuck into some tunes and catching up. Not catching up to do. But yeah, what an incredible journey.